Hi everybody, it is day 5. This is blanking. The movie I suggest you watch today is The Last Holiday. It is a romantic comedy with Queen Latifah. It's cute, it's funny. It's just like a feel-good movie. So watch it. And the song I suggest is Let It Snow by Boyz II Men featuring Brian McKnight. It's just a nice song. Feels like you're wrapped in a warm blanket when you listen to it. It's beautiful. So this is the example. I just had to make an icicle today. This is the example on the page, on the YouTube page. And this is what I made. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Let's see. It has like, I'm going to cut off the light for a second. It has like little sparkles. I don't know if that makes it better or worse, but yeah, it has little sparkles, which are really pretty. I use this yarn. Like I said, I have a lot of scrap yarn. I used this yarn last year when my friend got married to make me a top, and I thought it'd be really, really cute. I'm sure it's not showing up for icicles, but they're like, there's really pretty, kind of like streamers inside, to make it glow and pop. So yeah, so that is my version. And I don't know if she put a hook on hers, but I think this is a good enough hook that I don't need to add one. So I'll just put this on the tree. Let's put it up here. I changed my mind. I may add it later, but yeah, that's there. Let's open this calendar first today. So once again, this calendar, we're on day 5. So day 5, oh, another cute little box. Oh, I keep opening it. Okay, so this is the 3rd day in a row we got like needles or something. So I guess this is embroidery needles. My camera's bad, guys, so this I'm using my phone. So like embroidery needles. Actually, and they have like a little scanner, and it says scan to see how to use embroidery needles, which I think is really cool. So yeah, so that is this day's, let's see, day 5. And then I'm probably going to have just a little candy egg. I don't know why I think they're going to be different sizes, but where's number 5? Oh, this cute little bird down here is number 5. Oh, we do have different sizes. This is a little gingerbread man. So that's day 5. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you watch a nice Christmas movie or listen to a Christmas song to get you in the spirit, the mood, the holiday season. Bye.